The 2025 Chery Tiggo is a remarkable SUV that combines cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and impressive performance, making it a standout choice in the competitive automotive market. As we delve into its specifications and features, it becomes clear why this vehicle has garnered significant attention from car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Chery Tiggo boasts a modern and aerodynamic design that exudes sophistication and strength. The front fascia is dominated by a bold grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility and a distinctive look. The body lines are sharp and dynamic, giving the Tiggo a sporty yet elegant appearance. The rear features LED taillights and a sculpted bumper, adding to the overall aesthetic appeal. The SUV sits on stylish alloy wheels, available in various sizes depending on the trim level, which not only enhance the vehicle's look but also contribute to a smoother ride. Under the hood, the 2025 Chery Tiggo offers a range of engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking more performance, there is a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine option that provides increased horsepower and torque, making it ideal for highway cruising and overtaking. Both engines are paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Additionally, the Tiggo is available in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, catering to various driving conditions and preferences. The interior of the 2025 Chery Tiggo is where the vehicle truly shines. The cabin is designed with premium materials, offering a luxurious and comfortable environment for both the driver and passengers. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, with available options for heated and ventilated front seats, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. The driver's seat is power adjustable, allowing for a customized driving position. The rear seats offer ample legroom and can be folded down to expand the cargo space, making the Tiggo a versatile choice for families and adventurers alike. Technology is a key highlight of the 2025 Chery Tiggo. The SUV comes equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for seamless smartphone integration. The system is intuitive and user-friendly, providing access to navigation, music, and various vehicle settings. A premium sound system is available, delivering crystal-clear audio throughout the cabin. The Tiggo also features a digital instrument cluster that displays essential driving information in a clear and customizable manner. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Chery Tiggo, with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) designed to enhance safety and convenience. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The Tiggo also features a 360-degree camera system, providing a bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings, which is particularly useful for parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Additionally, the SUV is equipped with multiple airbags, stability control, and a robust frame structure, ensuring maximum protection for all occupants. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2025 Chery Tiggo performs admirably, thanks to its advanced engine technology and aerodynamic design. The 1.6-liter engine offers an impressive fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. The 2.0-liter engine, while more powerful, still manages to deliver respectable fuel efficiency, ensuring that drivers do not have to compromise on performance for the sake of economy. The driving dynamics of the 2025 Chery Tiggo are equally impressive. The suspension system is tuned to provide a comfortable and composed ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. The steering is precise and responsive, offering a confident driving experience whether navigating city streets or winding country roads. The all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, making the Tiggo capable of handling various terrains and weather conditions. One of the standout features of the 2025 Chery Tiggo is its commitment to sustainability. The SUV is available in a hybrid variant, combining a traditional internal combustion engine with an electric motor to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. This hybrid model is perfect for environmentally conscious drivers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance or convenience. The hybrid system is seamlessly integrated, providing a smooth and quiet driving experience, with the added benefit of regenerative braking to recharge the battery. The 2025 Chery Tiggo also offers a range of customization options, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their specific preferences. From exterior color choices to interior trim materials, there are numerous ways to personalize the Tiggo to reflect individual style. Additionally, various packages are available, such as a technology package that includes advanced features like a head-up display and wireless charging, and a luxury package that adds premium touches like a panoramic sunroof and upgraded upholstery. In conclusion, the 2025 Chery Tiggo is a well-rounded SUV that excels in design, performance, technology, and safety. Its versatile engine options, luxurious interior, and advanced features make it a compelling choice for a wide range of drivers. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly vehicle, a stylish commuter, or an eco-conscious hybrid, the Tiggo has something to offer. With its competitive pricing and strong value proposition, the 2025 Chery Tiggo is poised to make a significant impact in the automotive market. If you found this overview of the 2025 Chery Tiggo helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and updates on the latest vehicles. Your support helps us continue to bring you high-quality content and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of automotive innovation. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more exciting content with you in the future.